What's up? I'm here. I'm here at CinemaCon. I got my hotel room. It's Sunday, the day before the Spider-Man No Way Home trailer drops. But here I am. I'm already checked into my room, but I'm just showing you what the hallways look like, and then I'm gonna show you what my room looks like, and it is fabulous. I cannot lie. I cannot complain. But the hallways are beautiful. Look at all the mirrors and everything. You can actually see me. And this is me just getting off the plane. As you all know, I've been up since 2 a.m. dealing with United Airlines, and then I'm finally here checking. And it's nice because I did manage to get an early check-in, but see, it's just those efforts. They charge me $40 to check in early, and normally it's $75. So I only got the discount because I'm here at CinemaCon. And they wanted to charge me another $700 in a deposit. And I'm like, wait a second, I'm already paying for the effing room up front. Why am I leaving a $700 deposit? So they did manage to knock off another, $800. They did knock off $400. So I'm only paying a $200 deposit. So here, let me show you the room. The room is fabulous. So this is my home away from home for the next week. Check it out. Check it out. How beautiful is this? And again, there's my beautiful self with my messy hair. And this place is packed. It is packed with people. I doubt if I'll be able to eat anywhere halfway decent this week because there's so many people. I don't even know if I'll be able to do any shows. This hotel seems way too big and too confusing to actually be able to have fun in. But the room itself, wow. So here's the closet. Check it out. Check it out. Here's got a nice safe, ironing board. And wait until you get a load of the view. Ow! Oh, can't get that open. Oh, there's a lot. There's a key. I wonder what's in there. So here's the air conditioner. Let me see if I can turn on some lights. I don't know how to get the lights working here. Let's see if I can get the lights working. I can't get the light. I don't know how to work the lights yet. So I will figure that out. But here you got a nice flat screen TV. And I did my HDMI check because my new thing now is when I travel, I bring an HDMI cable and hook my computer up to it so I can watch stuff on the big screen. On a regular screen, I hate watching movies and TV and stuff on the Mac or on any kind of small screen. I want to watch it on a regular size TV. So got nice cabinetry. Let me figure out how to turn on the lights. It kind of sucks. There's no master light switch in here. So look at this. This room is very nice. It's very nice. This is nicer than my apartment. So ouch. Got a nice sectional. Actually, I am meeting up with some friends later this week. But here, got a nice sectional here. Ooh, nice bed. I love this room because you have a real sitting area, and you have the Keurig machine. And the one, as a tea drinker, you're always screwed at hotels. So I've taken to actually bringing my own K-cups and my own sugar with me, so that way I can get my morning cup of tea exactly the way I want to, and I'm not at the mercy of some hotel. But plenty of plugs. You have 2 plugs there. You have a plug right here on the lamp. No plugs under there. No plugs over here. And then you have a bedside plug right there. And I actually always travel with the extension cable and multi-prong adapter thingy. So having one plug by my bed is really, having one plug is really all I need because I have like a 4 USB port and a, you know, a surge protector that I always travel with. So you have 2 more plugs right there, another plug right there, nice clock radio. So the room's not hurting for plugs. I really like that. I love that. And then here's my view. I'm on the 16th floor of a 17th floor building, so this is nice. I think basically the only thing above me are suites in the penthouse level, but look at this view. And I got a view of the pool. At first I was a little skeptical because, you know, the pool view is a sucker's move in most resorts because the problem is the pool view, there's always parties and stuff, and that keeps you up at night. Just like getting a view of the Bellagio fountain is a mistake, especially if you're staring at Bally's, because those windows are really thin at Bally's, and if you have a view of the Bellagio fountains, in theory that's amazing, but in actual practice, what happens is that those fountains go off like every 5 minutes until like 3 a.m. or something, and it drives you nuts after a while, especially if your view. If your fountain view really isn't even a fountain view, so all you get to do is hear it. You don't even get to see it. I've had that room several times over at Bally's. But look at that beautiful view of the Caesars pool. And now let me show you the pool, the bathroom. I'm so excited because I'm going to show you in just a second. Oh, and you get another desk, a nice little desk area. And, you know, if I was wanting to wear makeup, and I don't wear makeup because it makes me break out. It's too much work. And I'm not trying to impress anyone. But you got a nice little vanity mirror here and a regular makeup mirror, another lamp, two more plugs right here. So like I said, lots of plugs. So here's the bathroom. You got your 2 sinks right here. Got 2 sinks. Nice private loo, as they say across the pond. Look at this. You get a really nice shower, a separate shower, which I really like. But here's a PS3 the resistance, and I can't even say that word. You get a jacuzzi. Look at this. You get this large freaking jacuzzi. And here's the thing about a jacuzzi. I always obsess over having a jacuzzi when I go into a hotel. And most hotels don't have jacuzzis anymore. But the thing is, it takes so long to fill the damn things up. And normally, I only sit in it for like 10 or 15 minutes, get my bubbles on, and you know, you just fart in the water and get your bubbles. But I'm kidding, people, I kid. But you get your bubbles going, and once I do that, I'm like, okay, after 10 minutes, I'm like, all right, I got the gist of this, I'm done, and I get out. But I love it. Look at that. And this is a deep one too. And this is a really nice long one, because a lot of times you get jacuzzis. And there are instances you do get jacuzzis. They're so small, it's like only a little Japanese woman can sit in there. And I'm not trying to be offensive, but only a really small, tiny person can sit in most hotel jacuzzis. So this is a really nice size where I could really stretch out. I could drown in this thing. So hopefully I won't die. You won't hear of a freak out jacuzzi accident. Oh, look at this. This is like a rain. Oh, this is awesome. I'm actually going to be looking to buy my first house next year. My first and last house. So it's going to be my dream house. And that house is going to have a nice jacuzzi. In addition to my home theater and everything, it's going to have a bathroom like this. Maybe even bigger. But it's going to have a nice bathroom like this. I love that bathroom. That's an amazing bathroom. So yeah, I'll do some more videos around walking around Caesars and stuff during the course of the week. But today I'm just tired from all the traveling, so I'm gonna rest myself for about an hour, then go downstairs, check out the CinemaCon hallways and see if any posters and stuff are up yet. I think I could get my credentials today and do my vaccine check and all that kind of fun stuff today at around 2 o'clock. So I'm going to try to do that, and then I'm going to walk around. I'm going to walk around the hallway to see if there are any posters up. But I also want to find my crepe. The place that does crepes no longer does crepes, and they're completely under new management. It sucks. Why can't people leave stuff alone? I don't go somewhere for a year or two and all of a sudden everything's changed, and that's so freaking annoying. So yeah, I want to do something tonight. I just don't know what I'll be able to do with all of these people here. And I don't really feel like leaving the hotel. I think I'm going to try to go see Cirque du Soleil tonight. I think I may do that. But I would love to have something to eat. But again, there's so many people down there. I don't even know where I will be able to eat. And you know, I don't want to eat at some stupid food court. I want to actually have a nice sit-down meal. I know what I'll probably end up doing. I'll probably end up getting room service and getting Hell's Kitchen sent up and get and try this famous beef Wellington that I've heard so much about, and get that sent up to my room because hey, I have plenty of space. This is nice. I'm loving, love this. So, and I'm also gonna go get my CinemaCon swag bag, and I'm curious to see what's in the swag bag this year. So anyway, talk to you guys later. Bye.